EJplay. It's in the game.
Hey guys, so today we'll be showing you how to make an exploding pen to prank your friends. Alright, so what you'll need is a party popper, a knife or scissors to cut it, and a pen. Preferably paper mate, and you'll need the lid as well. So make sure you got that. Now the first step to do is you gotta cut the end of the party popper off, so you get the exploding bit out.
Parental warning if you're using a knife.
Do that quickly.
Yeah.
And then
Parental warning if you're using scissors as well.
hold up. There. Now we've got the exploding bit. Got it? Alright, now that you have the exploding bit, you gotta take the pen lid off and take the ink out. We won't be needing this anymore. And then you need to put the string through the pen lid thing. Yeah, hold on. Alright, so now that's through, it'll be stuck in like that. And then you gotta just put it back together. And then, now with the lid you gotta cut a hole in the top with a knife like that, or scissors if you want. It can be a bit difficult, so we prepared one earlier. So yeah, a hole in the top like that if you can see. Yep. Alright, so then what you want to do is put the string up through the pen lid and through the hole. Might take a while. Alright, so we got it now. So it's through like that, and you have the string just popping out there. So all you got to do now is just tie a knot on the end so it doesn't go back through. Alright, now that we got the knot there, you just got to cut the remaining string off. So it just looks like a normal pen now. Too easy. It's all ready to give it to your friend and prank them. Yep. We'll test it now so you see what happens. Oh, so Evan, can you tell me this pen?
Yeah, well, it's got a nice lid.
What about walking to the moon so far away where you leave as sob out loud for mercy? A thunderbolt
use this pen.
What the hell is
this? Thanks for tuning in, guys. It's been another video by the Undynamic Duo. Thanks to our first couple of subscribers.
Or maybe not. You ran in curious, so excited, and running to bed, asking, can we ask?
What the fuck?
So that's not supposed to happen?
This oh. Oh no. Just do it.
When you sob out loud for mercy. A thunderbolt shivering retribution where you plead God with devils and creatures in between to push the power.
Oh.